Good day everyone, my name is Kent Vincent Budu. I am 19 years old. I'm from Barangay Caldampay, Carigara, Leyte. So, choose a belief or any of these belief that practice that you believe to be an philosophical incorrect that recognizes your new reason, contra belief or true using philosophical practices and support with evidence. Superstitious belief that certain action or object can bring good or bad luck, even though there is no logical reason for it. Some common example including walking under the ladder, which is considered bad luck, and breaking a mirror, which is believed to bring 7 years of bad luck. Other example including locking on a wood for good luck and throwing salt even your shoulder or warded off evil. Walking under the ladder. This superstitious is widespread and it's believed that bring bad luck. Some theories suggest it's because a ladder against a wall creates a triangle and walking under it is like crossing the line, which is considered unlucky. And breaking a mirror, many cultures believe that breaking a mirror will bring 7 years of bad luck. Some folklore suggests that mirror hold a person soul a breaking once. The scrap of connection either on a future on wood. This practice is often used to ward off bad luck or ensure continue of good luck. Some theories suggest it's rooted in belief that spirits live in tree and knocking on time. Then it is a way to release or seek their help. Next is spilling salt. In some culture, spilling salt is considered as omen of bad luck. Some believe cannot blend an evil, while others tribute it is the values of salt in accidents time. Make it a symbol of loss of misfortune, superstitious belief, while often revised as rational cannot be imitated and understood through philosophical principle, philosophical framework like skepticism, pragmatism, and the study of cognitive bliss offers insight into why people hold such belief even when they know they are not true. Superstitious cannot be seen as coping mechanism, providing a sense of control in uncertain station and also reflect how minds tends to make causal connection. Even when they cannot accurate, some superstitious cannot have shooting even living annex about unknowing a given people a sense of control over their lives. This may also be reason why superstitious have lived for long. People have passed them from generation to generation. Penalty be incanted are legalized in our country. Explain your ethical judgment of this issue using the moral law. The death penalty is an blunted violence of human rights. Executing someone is ultimate act of violence and denies that person their most fundamental right, the right to live. It is ultimate cruel, inhuman, and degrading punishment. Some people argue that people who can commit their crime and commander, deserve to be executed as their punishment, but an execution or the treat of one inflict terrible physical and psychological suffering. Any government which executes offenders and committing some violence to commands the death penalty is an effective punishment. The death penalty is often used of political tools to create some illusion of being touched on crime, while doing little to address underlying social economic factors that leads to crime. It's time to lead end this barbaric practice and invest the real situation that works. The death penalty does not bring closure or healing victim families. The death penalty is often touched as a way to bring closure and justice to the families of victim, but this is a false promise in reality. The death penalty only perpetuates the cycle of violence that leaves families stuck in a cycle of pain and suffering. Those who are lose loved ones triple crime has right to see the person responsible heal and count in our fair trial. Without resource, the death penalty oppose the death penalty does not memorize and convince crime in fact many families who have lost loved ones have said the death penalty cannot genuinely relieve this suffering. It is an excited of suffering who another families and their wider community were calling the state ground the world break these cycles violence of strict real reconciliations of this all affected by crime. The death penalty is applied unfairly. The death penalty is proportionately applied to people who are poor, marginalized, or belong to group who are already face enhanced discrimination. The use of death penalty cannot also use of the death penalty cannot also reinforce pre-existing reduction. In society, for instance, in the United States, people convinced of killing white people were 17 times more likely to be executed than those convinced by killing black people clearly and death penalty that not solve social issue, but instead accentuates injustice. The death penalty risks executing innocent people who will death penalty are ruled out its. It is a finally mistake that are made cannot be unmade. There have been many cases where people have been sentenced the death of crime. They did not commit an innocent person may be released from this prison, but executing cannot be never relieves.